What's up, guys? Gotti here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can own my free, completely keyless exploit that totally obliterates the buy-front anti-cheat. This is a quick preview of the exploit, guys. This is what it looks like. So yeah, to go into this link right here. It's going to be in the description, guys. And now before you guys do anything, you guys always need to disable your Windows antivirus or whichever antivirus you guys use. The reason why you guys have to disable your antivirus is because it marks every single exploit as a false positive. If you guys do not know what a false positive means, I'm going to leave a screenshot right now in the screen. Basically, a false positive when your antivirus mistakes some kind of executable program as a malicious software, which is obviously not. That happens to every single Roblox Executor, guys, so don't worry about that. Is not a virus. And yeah, so let me show you guys really quickly how you guys can disable your Windows antivirus. Just go to your search bar right here, guys. So open Windows Security. This is what it looks like, guys. Click on the button, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and then go to Manage Settings right here. And then make sure you guys disable Real-Time Protection. As you guys can see, I have already disabled. It's gonna ask you guys for administrator permission. Just click on Yes, yeah. And now, guys, don't close this out just yet. Just minimize it. And now just click on Download. So now just click on the Electron X file. Now just make new file on your desktop or wherever you want, guys. And now just drag in there. Go in that folder, guys. And now once it's extracted, guys, and yeah, you guys can now exploit. Just open up the file and boom, the exploit just loaded, guys. You guys can now completely do whatever you want. Just go into Roblox, join any single game you guys want. I'm going to show you guys with Pet Simulator, for example. Click the exploit, guys. Just click on the attach button. So boom, as you guys can, you see it now says attached. Pet Simulator script right here. Just click on execute and now a script should pop up. As you guys can see, boom, that works perfectly fine. We have auto farm. As you guys can see, it's farming right now. And yeah, basically everything works perfectly fine. And yeah, that was basically it for the entire video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace.